All right, welcome to another episode of Games with Gabe. This episode we got Yana with us. Say hello. Say hi, Yana.
Hello, everybody.
All right, Yana has a question, but before we go to that, I got a random question for Yana.
Jeez.
Yana, what's your favorite spot to surf?
Oh, my favorite spot to surf right now, it's a secret.
Secret
Because-
spot.
It is a secret spot because if I say, okay, I can only tell you it's like in Santa Cruz somewhere.
There you go. Okay, Santa Cruz.
Yes.
Good
But
spot.
the spot, good spot, but it is secret.
Secret spot.
Secret spot, yes.
All right, cool. Thank you. All right. What's your question, Yana?
I have a Caulk joint on this job, which is 2 inches, and it doesn't exist on our list. I need to make a new one. Can you please show me how?
Of course, that's what you're here for. You're here to gain knowledge with Gabe. So, all right, so you need to create a new joint. So if you go down to families and you go down to the profile section, we want to look at the profiles first. Yep, so if you go to profiles and then at the last one, it's WW Caulk joint. So these are the different types that we have. Depending on the size. So what we need to do first is we need to create a new type. We'll see you have a 2-inch one there already.
I think I also need a 2 1/4 and 2 1/2.
All right, let's do that. So what you can do, you can either right click on WW Caulk joint and then do new type at the very top. And then call it, what do you want to call it, 2 1/4? Yep. And then double click that 2 1/4. It's going to open up the properties. So what your Caulk joint width is going to be 2 1/4 there. Yep. And there you go. That's your first one. And then let's do the other one. New type. Call it 2 1/2. Double click.
Groovy.
And as you see, there's a Caulk joint width and a Caulk joint depth. So the depth changes based on the width. So you can see it changes to 5 inch. There's a little formula in the family that calculates that.
All right.
So that's the first step. There's another step. So that's just a profile. We need to create the mullion that corresponds to that profile for you to be able to put it into the project. So what that means is now that you have it in the profiles, you need to go up to the curtain wall mullions. So you scroll up, curtain wall mullions, and you go to rectangular mullion. And if you scroll down towards the bottom, you have these WW Caulk joints. So
and 2 inch doesn't exist here, by the way.
Yeah, so that's what we got to do. So if you right click on one of them, like say the 1 inch, that one makes it easier. If you duplicate and call that the 2 inch. Yep, and then double click on that one. So what you want to do under profile, where it says WW Caulk joint 1 inch, it's right towards the middle. Yep, there's a little drop down menu, and you can change it to the 2 inch. Yep. Now you have a 2 inch one that you can use in your project. So let's go ahead and make the other ones before we actually put them in the project now. Duplicate that. There you go. Change the profile. One more. Perfect. So now you've created a profile. You created kernel mullions and assigned those profiles to them. So now if you go in to try to put in a Caulk joint, so yep, architecture mullions. Drop down menu, now you
Oh, yeah.
should see those sizes.
Groovy. Thank you so much, Gabe.
All right.